Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up international shipping on eBay. Let's dive right in. If you're new to eBay, now is the perfect opportunity to create your account. You can choose between a personal account or go straight for a business account. To get started, you'll need to provide your full legal name, email address, and a password. You can also sign up using Google, Facebook, or Apple for convenience. Once you've clicked the Create Account button, just follow the prompts to get set up. There are two main ways to configure international shipping on eBay. If you already have active listings, you can simply click on them. If not, it's a great time to start a new listing. Click on your draft or start a new one to proceed with setting up international shipping. Scroll down to the section labeled Shipping Details. Here, you'll see options for both domestic and international shipping. Depending on your interface, whether it's the Seller Hub or My eBay, you'll want to click on See Shipping Options. If you notice that international shipping isn't enabled, go ahead and check that box to activate it. Once international shipping is activated, you can add various shipping services. Decide between a flat rate, which stays the same regardless of the buyer's location, or a calculated rate that adjusts based on where the buyer is located. You can select services like USPS Priority Mail International, which takes 6 to 25 business days, or other options like UPS Standard to Canada, FedEx International Economy, or expedited services. For this example, let's choose UPS Worldwide Express Plus and hit Save. This selection will become your default carrier for international shipments. If you need to adjust, remove, or duplicate a service, you can easily do so. Additionally, you have the option to set up a rate table, which we cover in another video on our channel. This feature allows buyers to see various shipping options and costs. And that's it. You now know how to set up international shipping on eBay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.